In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create real account on Metatrader 5. First, you'll need a regulated broker that supports Metatrader 5. Popular options include HFM, XM, FBS, and IC markets, but choose the one that fits your region and trading needs. Head to the broker's website or mobile app and register for an account. When you sign up, use your legal name and address exactly as they appear on your documents, so approval goes smoothly. Next comes verification, often called KYC. Inside your broker's portal, upload a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and a recent proof of residency, such as a utility bill. Make sure the photos are clear, the details are readable, and the documents are in date. Submitting crisp images helps avoid delays. Once verified, create your live trading profile in the client area. Choose to open a new live or real account. Select Metatrader 5 as the platform. Pick the account type your broker offers, for example, standard, cent, or zero. Each type differs in minimum deposit, spreads, or position sizing. So select what matches your plan. You will be asked to set a trading password. Keep it strong and unique. After setup, the broker will email your MT5 login ID, your trading password, and the correct server name. Store this information securely and don't share it. Now connect the account in the Metatrader 5 app. Open MT5, tap the 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu, and choose Manage Accounts. Use the search bar to find your broker and select it. Tap Connect with an existing account, then carefully enter the login ID and trading password you received from the broker. When prompted, select the live or real server that exactly matches the server name in the email. If it doesn't match, you won't be able to log in. With the account connected, it's time to fund it. Return to your broker's website or app and make a deposit using one of the available methods, such as bank wire, credit or debit card, or cryptocurrency, depending on what they support. Review any fees and processing times before confirming. Once the deposit is approved by the broker, your balance will appear in MT5 under that live account. And you are ready to trade. That's the complete process. Thanks for watching.